In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show y'all an armrest pad. Check these things out. These are memory foam, and what they are, it's a like armrest pad that you can fit like on an office chair, a gaming chair. If you're like me and you're like in front of a computer a lot and you're doing a lot of editing or gaming or whatever, and you need to just kind of like rest your elbows, a lot of times these chairs don't have a lot of padding right along the armrest, and you can see how this is right here. This is, it kind of looks like a little slipper in a way, you know, the way it kind of looks. And these are super comfortable, and they slide on. You know, I can do it one-handed here. You just slide the back on like that, and then it goes around and then sits on there, and your elbows just rest very easily on these things. It actually changed the way this chair feels altogether. I've been really impressed with these things for such an affordable price. When you're sitting down in the chair and you just want to rest your elbow like that, you know, it adds that little bit of cushion. That way you don't have a lot of fatigue, and it kind of lifted my arm up a little bit to put it in line with my keyboard. These are one of these items you don't know you need, then you get a set and you're like, wow, I wish I'd actually had these earlier with my chair. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the Ergo memory foam armrest pads. See you guys in the next video. Woo!